Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And you do not need to go to the eye doctor. The market is still open for a few more minutes, and I wanted to get this recorded because maybe we'll see if this breakout can play out. But that is really the key thing to watch going into Friday, assuming that we don't get a breakout, as I'm doing this video right here. But the key thing now going forward is, the price is once again doing battle with this 270 mark, the red line right there. And that means a little bit more to those of you that probably watched the past videos. But if you haven't, in the past couple videos from both Tuesday and Wednesday, I talked about, this level here being an area of resistance. And like I said, today, once again, it's been a thorn in the side of the chart. And as I speak right now, the price is once again trying to get above it. And as you can see, is once again struggling with it. So that'll be the big question going into Friday. Even if the price is able to, get up above it and then stay up above it, the question still remains, is it a true break? A true break meaning, okay, let me take a step back. There's two parts to a true break. The first part is the obvious one. Well, a price has to break above a certain level. But the second one is, can the price maintain above that level? Right there, a good example. Sure, it broke above it, but could never maintain above it. Actually, several times today. Sure, the price broke above it, but couldn't, can it maintain above it? So like I said, even if this, let's just say, closes up at $2.73, the big question going forward still does and would remain, can the price stay up above it? But any way you look at it, you can't take away from the fact that the bulls are definitely seemingly getting stronger and stronger because they just keep on pounding at that 270 mark, and they're trying to break down through it. So if you haven't connected those dots, 270, definitely that key area of resistance going into Friday. As far as the overall level of the chart, more so in regards to the support department, that is where, again, this orange line comes into play, which I've talked about in the past videos. And as long as the price continues to stay above there, which so far so good, I was going to say it got somewhat close, but that's probably a stretch. I wouldn't call that really close. But overall, my point here is that, from the grand scheme of things, even if this, 270 is not broken as level of resistance, as far as the overall health, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls do still own the overall trend. So keep an eye on that. But all in all, definitely a great move, and good to see that it's knocking on that door of 270 again. So we'll see if the bulls can get above it or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.